What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P. Back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. I got some leftover potatoes that I made like 2 days ago. Check that recipe out. It's basically just potatoes and onions that I roasted in the oven. So we don't waste food around here. We try not to. We do our best. And so I'm not going to toss this. I'm going to put these in a skillet and I'm going to add an egg to it and a piece of beef sausage. And I'm going to make me something to eat. Nothing fancy at all. I broke the potatoes up. I put them in the skillet. I ain't added nothing to it but a little bit of canola oil cooking spray. And that's just so it won't stick. But I ain't gonna put no extra seasoning in this or nothing. The potatoes is already seasoned good. Yep, I just broke them up, you know what I'm saying, with my hands or whatever. We keeping this real simple. And I have some beef sausages here. All of this is not for me. I'm gonna give my son some of this sausage. So yeah. These are the beef sausages from Aldi. They're fully cooked. But I'm still going to, do my thing and brown it up a little bit. Took my son's sausage out and I left my stuff in the skillet. This is so easy. There's still a little bit of color in the bottom of the pan from the sausage. Okay, so I just put me an egg in there. Of course, you could use more than one egg if you want to, but right now, I feel like this is a good enough portion for just me. I got me a cup of pomegranate tea on the way as well. No extra salt or seasoning will be put on my eggs. I'm good for it, you know what I'm saying? I don't need anything extra. I'm also trying to watch how much salt I eat, but I am going to hit it with some parsley flakes. Cook your egg however you want to cook it. Normally, you know what I'm saying, I might do my eggs really fancy, but like I said, this is just a leftover situation that I'm making the most of. I am going to hit the eggs with a little bit of Parmesan cheese though. I forgot I had some cheese in there, so yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I took the eggs. I took the whole skillet off the heat because I don't like my eggs to be overcooked. All right, we got it plated up. I put a little bit of that dried parsley on top. That's the potatoes. That's the sausage. And I put me a little cup of applesauce just because I didn't have any fresh fruit. But I always like to have a serving of fruit with my breakfast because that's how queens do it. Like I said, this was not meant to be super duper fancy. How I normally do it. Quick, convenient, simple leftovers. Y'all don't throw them roasted potatoes and onions away. Better whip you up a little breakfast. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.